I saw somebody online having trouble with visibility, particularly the visibility of text. They found that the red text and the green text, very difficult to tell the differences between. The answer on a Macintosh is to use your accessibility options. So under System Preferences or System Settings, we've got Accessibility, we've got Zoom, and we've got this option here to hover text. When you hold the Command key down, when you hold that Command key down, you'll see that it enlarges the text just underneath the cursor, making it very easy for you to read it. Now this is particularly useful when I'm teaching, because if I want you to read something, all I need to do is to hold that key down and it enlarges it. There's an option here, so if you click on the options, there's the text setting. You can choose your default text. I could choose Arial Narrow or something else. I've just left it on the default text. There's my activation modifier and OK. On a Windows machine, it's different. On a Windows machine, it's the Windows key and the plus sign together, and that will make an enlarged area, and as you move around, the enlarged area moves. But it does make it easier for you to read, and I've used it in class, and it's really useful for my students. They can really see what I'm trying to show them. So that if you're having trouble with accessibility, with visual accessibility, there's a couple of tricks for you that should help. And you can see how much easier it makes it for you to read the text.